Learn English to Gujarati. Action phrases like
પગલું ભરવું,
and.
નિર્ણય લેવો.
Welcome to your Gujarati mission. Hey, you are about to learn useful Gujarati phrases that sound smart, practical, and slightly more organized than most group projects. Don't worry, we will keep it light, memorable, and very listenable. Today you will learn how to say take action, make a decision, submit an application, obtain a confirmation, make an exception, set a deadline, conclude an agreement, and make an arrangement in Gujarati. Your key phrases are
પગલું ભરવું, નિર્ણય લેવો, અરજી કરવી, પુષ્ટિ મેળવવી, અપવાદ કરવો, સમયમર્યાદા નક્કી કરવી, કરાર કરવો,
and.
વ્યવસ્થા કરવી.
Yes, that is a powerful list. You now sound like a manager, a diplomat, and the only competent person in a family wedding. The office of mild chaos. Let's learn with a story, because random vocabulary is forgettable, but chaos is forever. Imagine you have just joined the office of mild chaos. On your first day, the boss runs in holding 12 folders, 1 plant, and a samosa. He whispers, "We must."
પગલું ભરવું,
Exclamation mark quote. That means take action. Everyone nods seriously, even though nobody knows what is happening. Then the assistant says, "First, we need to
નિર્ણય લેવો,
make a decision." A very reasonable idea. Sadly, the team spends 20 minutes deciding whether to decide before tea or after tea. Meanwhile, you remember an important form. You announce, "I need to."
અરજી કરવી,
That means to submit an application. The office clerk looks impressed, mostly because you are the first person all week to bring the correct document. But wait. The clerk raises one dramatic finger and says, "Before anything else, you must
પુષ્ટિ મેળવવી,
obtain a confirmation." Of course. In every office story, there is always one more paper. When rules meet real life. Now the plot thickens like overcooked office tea. Time for the phrases about rules and planning. The security guard says, "No entry after 10. You arrive at 10:01 with a tragic face and a folder falling apart. The manager sighs and says, "Fine, today I will."
અપવાદ કરવો,
That means make an exception. Congratulations. Your face has become official paperwork. Inside, the team is still confused, so someone finally says, "Let's."
સમયમર્યાદા નક્કી કરવી,
To set a deadline. Instantly, people sit straighter. Calendars appear. Someone even opens a spreadsheet voluntarily, which is the true sign of urgency. Then two departments that normally communicate only through passive-aggressive emails decide to talk. After much blinking, nodding, and pretending to understand legal language, they manage to.
કરાર કરવો,
That means to conclude an agreement. No one expected peace, but here we are. Finally, before the big event, Grandma walks in, looks at the mess, and says, "Children, just."
વ્યવસ્થા કરવી,
To make an arrangement. Suddenly chairs are aligned, snacks are sorted, and one cousin is somehow put in charge of napkins. Quick memory drill. Now you repeat with me. Short bursts, clear meaning, no panic. Take action.
પગલું ભરવું,
Make a decision.
નિર્ણય લેવો,
Submit an application.
અરજી કરવી,
Obtain a confirmation.
પુષ્ટિ મેળવવી,
Make an exception.
અપવાદ કરવો,
Set a deadline.
સમયમર્યાદા નક્કી કરવી,
Conclude an agreement.
કરાર કરવો,
Make an arrangement.
વ્યવસ્થા કરવી.
Mini dialogue practice. Let's make the phrases feel real. You listen, picture the scene, and repeat the Gujarati parts. A. We cannot wait anymore. B. Yes, we need to.
પગલું ભરવું,
A. Should I choose now or later? B. You should.
निर्णय लेवो.
Soon. A. Why are you at the office? B. I came to.
अर्जी करवी.
A. Can we book the hall? B. Not yet. First we must.
पुष्टी मिळववी.
A. Please let me in just this once. B. All right, I will.
अपवाद करवो.
A. The project is floating in space. B. Then let's.
समयमर्यादा नक्की करवी.
A. Did both sides settle it? B. Yes, they.
करार करवो.
A. Guests are coming and nothing is ready. B. Quick.
व्यवस्था करवी.
Funny image tricks. Here comes the sneaky memory magic. The stranger the image, the better your brain remembers it. 4.
पगलू भरवू.
Imagine a giant foot stepping onto a red button labeled action. 4.
निर्णय लेवो.
Picture yourself at a crossroads while a sandwich asks whether it is lunch or dinner. 4.
अर्जी करवी.
Imagine a cat in glasses submitting a form for a fish license. 4.
पुष्टी मिळववी.
Picture a glowing stamp finally landing on your paper while angels sing in office harmony. 4.
अपवाद करवो.
See a robot shouting, "Rules are absolute," then slipping on a banana peel and allowing one exception. 4.
समयमर्यादा नक्की करवी.
Imagine a huge calendar chasing lazy people down a hallway. 4.
करार करवो.
See two business cats signing a tuna contract. 4.
व्यवस्था करवी.
Imagine grandma organizing an entire wedding with one eyebrow raise. Your quick quiz. Let's see if these phrases are now living rent-free in your head. Answer before I do. What is Gujarati for take action?
पगलू भरवू.
What is Gujarati for make a decision?
निर्णय लेवो.
What is Gujarati for submit an application?
अर्जी करवी.
What is Gujarati for obtain a confirmation?
पुष्टी मिळववी.
What is Gujarati for make an exception?
अपवाद करवो.
What is Gujarati for set a deadline?
समयमर्यादा नक्की करवी.
What is Gujarati for conclude an agreement?
करार करवो.
What is Gujarati for make an arrangement?
व्यवस्था करवी.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned a set of useful Gujarati phrases that can carry you through offices, meetings, applications, and dramatic family logistics. You practiced.
પગલું ભરવું. નિર્ણય લેવો. અરજી કરવી. પુષ્ટિ મેળવવી. અપવાદ કરવો. સમયમર્યાદા નક્કી કરવી. કરાર કરવો.
And.
વ્યવસ્થા કરવી.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and use them in your own sentences. You are doing great, and with a little repetition, these Gujarati expressions will become natural.